Hello all, my name is Krishnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all guys, happy 75th Independence Day to everyone. And there is a pattern that I follow in every Independence Day. I announce something amazing, okay? So as you all know, I had actually started the NLP live sessions before, and we had actually taken somewhere around 10 to 11 days of live session. I had completed till LSTM. And after that, I had to take a pause. The reason of the pause was that I had to record a lot of videos, course materials, and because of that, I was not able to get time. But even though I tried my level best to upload some of the videos now, but finally, yes, now I'm going to announce the advanced NLP live sessions. In this particular sessions, whatever remaining topics have been left in NLP, with respect to deep learning, such as bidirectional LSTM RNN, encoders, decoders. We'll also understand self-attention models, transformers, BERTs, and we'll also be covering all this implementation like BERTs and transformer implementation with the help of Hugging Face library. So this is a major announcement. I know many people. I was seeing the comments continuously. I was seeing the comments. People were saying complete that NLP live playlist. I'm extremely sorry, guys. I was really, really, really overfed with a lot of work. So I had to do multiple things. I have to cover multiple things. In office work is also there. I have to also teach on Saturdays and Sundays in various live batches. So yes, here is the announcement of the NLP, advanced NLP live sessions with deep learning, where I'm going to cover topics like LSTM, bidirectional LSTM, encoders, decoders, BERT, transformer. We'll also understand the architecture of GPT, and we'll try to implement all these things with the help of Hugging Face library. But as we go ahead, I really want to make one thing very important announcement for everyone, guys. See, during this during these live sessions, right? Many people don't join, okay? And I can also record this, probably all these videos, and probably upload this in my YouTube channel. But understand, the recorded videos will be in such a way that I'll not get a chance to interact with you, okay? uh, and when I am interacting with you, a lot of different kind of queries will probably come, and through that particular way I'll be able to explain you more different things. From recorded videos, the difference between recorded and videos and the live session videos is that you may miss some of the points in recorded videos, you may have some of the additional queries, but with the help of live videos, I will be able to take up that specific queries. So my sincere request is that please make sure that please join this live sessions. So that is the reason I am going to give you your time, like whatever time you really want to select. Okay, whether you are free after 8 o'clock, then I'll probably take from live session from 8 to 9. Okay, and this time I'm going to take the live sessions from Wednesday, that is not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday. From 17th onwards we'll be starting these live sessions. You can select the time, you can write down in the comment section. But one request it is, guys, try to join, because these all contents will actually help you to get jobs, and there are huge number of job openings. Okay, huge number of job openings with respect to data science, data analytics, deep learning and all, right? Don't miss this opportunity. Try to value the free content that you're actually getting. Okay, so it's a sincere request. Try to join. I know many people are working professionals, they may be tired in the evening, but guys, I think 1 hour if you give along with me, it will also make sure that I'll also have some more interest in explaining you some more additional things. And from the past history that I have seen in my YouTube channel, wherever I take live sessions, I have covered many things, and you can check out all the different playlists in my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's a sincere request. Call your friends, try to join, try value, try, give some kind of value for the free content that is available, or that is effort that I'm actually trying to put. Okay, now there is some prerequisite before you come to the live session from Wednesday itself. Here is what I'm actually sharing the screen. So you have to complete this two playlist, this NLP live community sessions. So here you can see I've completed till day 10th, and after that I will be continuing day 11th from Wednesday onwards. Okay, so please make sure that you cover up all these things. Here I've shown you everything related to NLP. Okay, and one more playlist is something called as deep learning playlist. So here also you have 5 days deep learning playlist where you really need to understand till CNN. Okay, so just try to cover this before you come on Wednesday, because the topics that I will be explaining, I'll be explaining directly from bidirectional LSTM. Okay, and then I'll go with encoders, decoders. We'll understand different things with respect to that. We'll understand the architecture of transformers. And as said, every 2 days from Wednesday, like I'll take a gap of 1 day between, then the next session will be on Friday, then the next session will be on Monday, then after Monday, the next session will again be on Wednesday. Like that, I will go ahead and take it. Okay. So in a week, at least 3 classes will be going on. Okay. So that is the plan. And as suggested, guys, uh, I always like to give to the community, and I'm always trying to do it. I've uploaded more than 1500 videos. I really need your support to come join the live sessions. It is not for my beneficial, for your benefits, because you will be able to crack jobs. And the number of job openings are huge. What they ask in the interview, we'll be discussing about that. Okay. And today evening at 8 p.m. I'll also be coming on live session. I'll doing a live session. Today, I also have to make an amazing announcement for everybody that is related to iNeuron. So please make sure that you join today at 8 p.m. along with me in the live session. And yeah, I'm going to make that specific announcement. So yes, this was it from my side. Only one request is try to share this video as much as possible in every platform like LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you want. Try to tell people, yes, I will be teaching you. I'll be writing each and everything in front of you. I'll be devoting my entire time when I'm explaining this. So every week, 3 days class, the first session of Advanced NLP series, where we are going to learn about bidirectional LSTM, will be starting on Wednesday. Then we will cover, encoders, decoders, self-attention model, transformers, GPT, BERT, and then we'll also try to do a lot of practical implementation with the help of Hugging Face library. Again, this will be a 2 to 3 weeks sessions. So please make sure that you join that session. This was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.